Hi guys, my name is Johnstan. Welcome to Grooming Tips 101, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to straighten your hair. So I'm going to start off with my hair, which when I just wake up, my hair is really curly and wavy, and then I'm going to straighten it to this look right now, and I'm going to teach you guys how did I achieve this. So you must be thinking straightening my hair is so easy. I just need to get a straightener and then I just need to clip it and that's it. But in reality, that's not the truth. So because I have curly hair like this, my hair is very wavy and it makes me look very unkempt. So I tend to straighten my hair so I can have a sleek and a more refined kind of look. Firstly, when you get a straightener, you need to realize how high the temperature can go. So try to go to about 200 degrees Celsius so you can have straighter hair, and be careful when you straighten your hair because you can burn yourself at the same time. Also try to get straightener that are thicker on the sides so it is not so burn proof, and also try to have ceramic coating so that your hair doesn't come out like fried noodles. This is what I had in mind when I first bought my straightener. This straightener has been with me since 12 years ago, and it's still going strong. Mine doesn't have a very complicated setting. It's just an on-off here, and I know that it goes up to about 200 degrees, so I'm super okay with it. Let's start. So when you straighten your hair, you need to get a small part of your hair first. The one part that I like to start when I straighten my hair is my sideburns, because this area literally if it's messy, I'll just look messy the entire day. So this needs to be straight and you need to pull it down gently, and this is how you do it. Then if you notice that there will be some parts that are still curly, grab them and then you straighten them. To expedite the process, you need to do it faster. You do it like this. You go through it 2 to 3 times, and the last time you just pull it down. Then you have really straight hair. Yeah. So as you can see, this part is a lot straighter than this, right? And it's a lot neater. So I'll continue with the rest of my hair. Also, do note that when you're straightening your hair, I tend to off my straightener when it reaches a level that I think is really hot, because if you just continue heating it up, right, it will get progressively hotter and it might even damage your hair further. So sometimes after I know that my straightener has been on for at least 5 minutes, I'll off it and then I'll continue straightening my hair with the residual heat. Yes. So as you can see, right, the right effects of straightening your hair is if it's straight and if it's glowy. So that is when you know that your straightener is good, and it's not like those cheap ass straightener that you buy from dubious place. When you straighten your hair, you get really curly at the ends. It looks straight but it's not healthy looking. Then that is you know that you are using a wrong straightener and you shouldn't do that. So I'll continue. So as you can compare from the left and the right, okay, these are two different styles. It really depends on you. Some people like my wavy hair, but I try to change things up from time to time, and I try to do a straighter hair. So I think that this look is also quite decent, so I tend to straighten my hair like this. So I'm gonna continue straightening my hair. Another thing to note is that you need to know where your parting is. So my parting is this side. So when I straighten my hair, I'll try to part it this side. So what you need to do is you actually need to grab your straightener and then you need to pull it towards this side. Then you would have your parting towards that side. Okay, now you can see my hair is totally straight and I look like a helmet right now. A little space to look at where I'm looking at. Okay. So I'm attempting to style my straight hair right now because it looks this really long and really weird. So you need to style your hair. You look like you just came out from the shower and you didn't do anything to your hair, but that's not the look that we're going for. As you can see, my fringe is kind of long, so I'll try to push it towards the side so that it makes up for a denser fringe, and it doesn't look yes, obviously I didn't cut my hair because of this lockdown, but I'm still trying to rock it, you see. It's also okay to show a little bit of your eyebrows and your forehead. So once you have combed it to a hairstyle that you are satisfied with, you can start to hairspray your hair. And so normally I like to give a little bit more volume over here by picking up some of my hair with the tail of the comb. So this gives the volume. And then like you can pull it out a little bit and then you can spray it. And also for this side, so I look like a little apple shape. Then you can hairspray your hair to set it, and that's all. So I hope you guys have learned a thing or two about straightening your hair, especially like do not get those cheap straightener that's like what, $5 or $10, or those that are like USB size, because I think that they do not really do the work. You need to definitely get something that's thicker and bulkier so that this can really serve its purpose. And then straightening your hair, definitely you want to have this like silky and then like very glossy kind of look. You do not want to go for those like fried noodles kind of look. So this is what you should get at the end. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a like and also comment down below what kind of videos that you want me to make in future. So see you next time. Bye! So once you have combed it into a hairstyle that you are, have some eyes first. Also do note that like when you are straightening this, right,